On today's adventure, we're learning how these crunchy, spicy, and addicting duros and tostadas are made. It's impossible to only eat one. Just ask my dad or me. You can usually find us snacking away with famous tostada maker Juan Rojas. He's a proud owner of
Tostadas y duritos y charritos. Aquí está su prove casa, les invito una tostada, 2, 3, 4 las que se coman. Pero aquí siempre está abierto.
Gracias.
Aquí no hay hambre.
Making these beloved snacks is no easy task. It requires a lot of preparation and experience. He first heats up some oil with manteca, which means lard, in a large caso. Next, he stirs the mixture for about 30 minutes. Peligroso, ¿no?
Sí, está peligroso.
El aceite caliente.
Y se fija que ya está empezando a salir humo.
Ya está saliendo humo, ya basta.
Now it's time to make the chicharrones, which are pork rinds.
Ahí está. Fíjese cómo va a salir.
Pork skin rolls are deep fried and extended using 2 wooden sticks. This technique is very difficult to master, but after 25 years in the business, Juan is a pro. The timing has to be just right, knowing when and how much force to use to ensure the roll comes out in one piece with the perfect crunchy texture. This is my favorite part. Watch how quickly the roll grows and transforms. ¡Órale! It quickly cools down and then is ready for a taste. ¡Vámonos!
Eso.
¿Qué tal?
Crunch.
It's crunchy?
Crunch.
Yep, that's my dad. Him and Juan go way back.
Como hermanos los criamos de un lado a otro. Llegaban las gordas y los poníamos a comer juntos.
¿Pero qué le dice a mi papá?
Oh, pobre hijo de la chingada. Entonces así me dice, agárrate gorda, hijo de la chingada.
El chaparro.
El chaparro.
The process continues until all 12 pieces are made. Three pieces make up one piggy.
3 partes. Lo que es orilla y centro. Y este es también panza.
That's a lot of crackling chicharrones. You must always keep an eye on the heat, work fast, and be very careful to not get too overwhelmed by the smoke. It does get exhausting, and the masks help for a little extra protection. The large chicharrones now need to be cut into smaller pieces called duritos, but it's best that I leave this to the pro.
Aquí está. Empecé con un cartoncito de blanquillo por las calles. De aquí sostenido a toda mi familia, a mis amigos.
His hard work has definitely paid off because now he has customers in several towns nearby. ¿En dónde las vende?
Yo mis tostaditas las vendo aquí en el rancho. Jerez, Susticacán, El Huejote, Santa Fe y aquí toda la rancherada en general.
There's still a lot to be done, like tostadas.
Todas con la pancita para arriba. Sí.
Tiene su que ver.
Lo más blandito para arriba.
The key is to fry them at a much cooler temperature and just for about 2 minutes.
Es que depende como esté la manteca, es como sale. Si la está muy caliente, truena.
40 kilos of tortillas later and the crispy tostadas are done.
Sí. Y le vas a echar aquí su salsita. Vamos a ponerte eso. Y le vamos a poner su estimado curtidito.
There's a variety of toppings that can be added.
Trompita, cuerito, salsita.
And well, each bite just gets better and better.
Paisanos, vénganse a los Doritos, mire. Bendito sea yo.
What makes these snacks so irresistible is the famous traditional salsa jerezana. This colorful, magical salsa is one of the things I crave the most when I'm away. If you have tried it, you know exactly what I mean. It tastes like home sweet home. And this one is prepared by talented cook Antonia Saucedo, Juan's wife. In her cozy kitchen, with a small blender, some fresh ingredients, and a lot of love, Antonia makes this rich salsa come to life with her very own secret recipe.
Nadie nos dijo cómo ni nada, nosotros nomás empezamos a hacer para nosotros así, para la casa y ya de allí.
De ahí salió para...
Ajá. De allí fue saliendo, nos la inventamos pues, el ajo, el comino, el chile, el orégano y lo que es la cebolla.
Her recipe seems simple. Fresh raw tomatoes, salt, oregano, garlic, cumin, onions, chile de árbol, and avocados. Sounds easy, right? But knowing how much of each ingredient to add is the secret. She's been making this traditional salsa for over 10 years, and it's no wonder why she doesn't even need to measure. It has to be savory and fiery, but just enough to keep you asking for more. For Antonia, it's something you just know, and in less than an hour, she fills up 2 big tubs of fresh salsa with her distinctive touch.
Estoy moliéndola y la estoy echando, muchas. El curtido lleva pepino, cebolla y orégano.
And now it's finally time to share these delicious flavors from home. Oh, and don't mind us. Of course we were going to be here eating once again, and again, and again. So all that hard work, let's see how it tastes. Very spicy, very delicious. I think I might have a few more. Gracias. I don't know what number I'm on, but these are delicious. With fresh agua de pepino. Because it is a little bit spicy. That's all you need. I'll make a few more. Thanks for watching. Thanks for supporting my channel. If you like what you see, please like, subscribe, share, and stay tuned for more adventures.